Thanks to Trudave, these are a pair of rubber shoes I really love. They have a very stylish design with a leopard print pattern so cool. The slip-resistant outsole is great. The shoe upper bends without leaving any marks. And the inner lining is soft and breathable, making them extremely comfortable to wear. They're perfect for me. Whether you're working in the garden, on a farm, or fishing in water, they provide excellent support and are very lightweight, so your feet won't feel tired. They also have great traction on grassy areas or rocky paths. The deep treads on the soles provide excellent support and prevent slipping. These shoes are also 100% waterproof, keeping your feet dry at all times. They are also easy to clean after getting dirty, which is really convenient. I absolutely love these shoes. Thank you again, Trudave, if you want a pair of practical and stylish rubber shoes. I recommend you hurry up and buy them from their official website.